Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing great. Before we begin, just a quick reminder, make sure to check the description after watching this video. I have added links and important updates there. If something new comes to VidIQ or plans change, I will update everything in the description, so don't miss it. Alright, let's talk about something many YouTubers ask. What's the difference between free and paid VidIQ? And more importantly, is the pro plan really worth your money? Okay, first let's talk about the free version of VidIQ. This is the one most people start with, and honestly, it's already super helpful. With the free plan, you can see video tags from other channel. You can get basic keyword suggestions like this. You can see your own channel stats from there and get a quick SEO score for your channel. So it helps you to understand growing your channel and understand how YouTube works. So if you are just starting out, this is more than enough. But later, when you want to grow faster, that's when you might think about the paid version like VidIQ Pro. And let's see what Pro gives you that free doesn't. First, you get more keyword data. With the free plan, you can only see a few keywords, but with Pro, you can get full access, search volume, competition, and even related keyword. This helps you to pick the right topic before making the video, so you don't waste time on low search topic. Second, Pro gives you top trending videos in your niche. You can click on trending and see what videos are getting views right now. It's super useful if you want to catch a trend early. You also get more tag suggestion and inline keyword. This means you can add better tags and title that help your videos to rank higher. Now here is something people love, thumbnails preview. Also, Pro gives you more tracked competitors. In the free version, you can track 1 or 2 channels, but in Pro, you can track more. So if you have a few competitors, this is very helpful. So is it worth the money? If you are just making 1 or 2 videos a month, maybe stick with the free plan. But if you are serious about YouTube and trying to grow faster, the Pro plan saves a lot of time. You got better keyword research, stronger optimization tool, and better planning. For many creators, even one good performing video pay for the money of Pro plan. So that's the difference between free and paid VidIQ. Both are good. It depends on where you are in your YouTube journey. I have added the link to VidIQ in the description, including discounts if available. You can start free, then upgrade later if you feel ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please give a like and leave a comment how it's working for you. I will see you in the next video.